Ready to ditch cookie-cutter fashion and sew a statement piece that screams you. Let's dive into creating this show-stopping plaid irregular Ruffles Tassel Long Skirt. First, gather your materials, your favorite plaid fabric, enough for a long skirt plus extra for ruffles. Sharp scissors, a measuring tape, a sewing machine, pins. And of course, the perfect tassels to add that final flourish. Measure your waist 10 desired skirt length, add seam allowance, cut a large rectangle from your plaid fabric based on these measurements. This will be the main skirt panel. Now for the fun part, the ruffles. Cut strips of varying widths and lengths from your plaid. Don't be afraid to go asymmetrical. Think organic, flowing, and totally unique. Set your sewing machine to a long stitch length. Sew a line along the top edge of each ruffle strip. Gently pull one of the threads to gather the fabric, creating ruffles. Arrange the ruffles on the main skirt panel. Play around with the placement until you achieve your desired irregular ruffled effect. Pin the ruffles securely in place. Carefully sew each ruffle onto the main skirt panel. Following the pinned lines, reinforce the seams for extra durability. Create an elastic waistband that fits your waist comfortably. Attach the waistband to the top of the skirt panel, encasing the elastic so securely, stretching the elastic as you go. Hem the bottom of the skirt, leaving a raw edge for a more boho look, or folding for a clean hem. Now, attach your chosen tassels to the bottom of the skirt at varying intervals for a playful touch. And there you have it, your very own Onio Fakin plaid irregular Ruffles Tassel Long Skirt. Rock it with confidence and show off your amazing sewing skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY fashion tutorials. Happy sewing!